Okay, here I have the SEZFom cabin air filter for the Tesla Model Y and the Model 3 as well. So first off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to test out in my car. So you can see this really nice honeycomb activated carbon air filter here. This is what it looks like compared to the OEM air filters. So I just pulled these out of the car. I'm not going to show you the full installation removal of these because you can see a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do that, but it's pretty simple. Doesn't really require any tools. It did come with this, but I found you didn't need it. Also come with this little pry tool to help you remove the panels and stuff, so that's really nice. So if you take a look at the filter, you see the foam around there. You got the HEPA filter right there. So really nice. Activated carbon, really nice quality, and then it has the pulls there, so you do need to use two filters there in your car. So this is the passenger side of the car where the air filter is. It fits right under there. You do have to pull out this panel and then pull this down as well. It doesn't really require any tools, and then the air filter sits way in the back there. So basically all we need to do is slide them in. You're supposed to put them in with the honeycomb facing you, so in this way. So one is going to drop in and go down, and then the second one is going to sit right on top. So I'll do that now. Okay, so yeah, basically just push this in here, slide this in, and then this one is going to drop down, and then we're going to put the second one right on top. Okay, so got the second one in here. Just slide in there. And you can see there's a little tab here, handle. You can't see it, but later on when you need to pull it out, you just pull out the tab, pull the tab, and then they'll come right out. And then the same for the other one down here. After that, you just put on this cover here, and then you're done. Really simple to do, something everybody can do. They recommend replacing it every 8 to 12 months to keep your air cool, nice and clean in your cabin. And then once you're all done, you just push this back into place and push this back into place. No tools required. So really simple thing anybody can do. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice cabin air filter for your Tesla Model Y or 3, then definitely give these a try.